Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our GK class. So, today let us start from lesson 10. Where do these animals live? Okay, so all of you take your GK text, take page number 17, lesson 10. Where do these animals live? So, the names of some of the animals are given here. So, we have to find out where do these animals live. Okay, where do these animals live? Okay, so I'll read the animal's name first. First one, lion, blue whale, reindeer, octopus, bear, shark, camel, leopard, penguin, scorpion, arctic fox, polar bear, rhinoceros, jellyfish. So these are the animals given here. We have to identify their favorite places to live in. Okay. So first is animals which live in sea. We have to find out 4 animals live in sea. Okay, can you find out those 4 animals? Blue whale, so we all know blue whale live in sea. Then blue whale, shark. Okay, then which jellyfish, octopus. Okay, so these are the 4 animals which live in sea: blue whale, octopus, shark, and jellyfish. Okay, so write these 4 animals name here: 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 name here, 4 names written here. Okay, then shall we take second one? Ice. Animals which live in ice regions. Okay, which are those animals? Okay, reindeer, then penguin, then arctic fox, polar bear. So these are the 4 animals which live in icy regions: reindeer, octopus, then arctic fox, and polar bear. Okay, then animals which live in forest. Which are the animals which live in forest? Okay, lion, we all know, king of forest, lion. Then bear, then leopard, then last one more, which is rhinoceros. Okay, so these are the 4 animals which live in forest or jungle. Okay, so lion, bear, then leopard and rhinoceros. Then we have to find out 2 animals which live in desert. Okay, which live in desert. Okay, only 2 animals which live in desert. Okay, which are those animals? Camel, then scorpion. Camels and scorpion live in a desert. Okay, so scorpion, we can see scorpion everywhere, but these scorpions actually prefers to live in desert region. Okay, so write these in your textbook. I have written the answer here. Make use of this page for writing the answer. Okay, then we'll take next famous monuments in India. Monuments means memorials. Famous monuments in India. So some of the famous monuments in India are given here. We have to find out where all these, which are those. We have to find out the names of these memorials, monuments. Okay, first one. This one. Okay, this is Great Stupa of Sanchi. Great Stupa of Sanchi. It was built by the Maurya Emperor Akbar. Okay, in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. It was built by the Maurya Emperor Akbar in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Great Stupa of Sanchi is the first picture. Then second picture, Buland Darwaza. Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri. Okay, or Buland Darwaza, or else it is called the Door of Victory and it is built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Okay, Mughal Emperor Akbar. It is the main entrance to the Juma Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri. So this Buland Darwaza was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. It is the main entrance to Juma Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri. Then third one, Red Fort. I think all of you know Red Fort. It is built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Okay, constructed in Old Delhi. So Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan constructed it in Old Delhi. In Old Delhi. Then next picture, Sun Temple at Konark. Sun Temple at Konark. Konark Surya Mandir. Konark Surya Mandir. Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha. Okay. Then for fifth one, Charminar. Okay, Charminar in Hyderabad, Telangana. 4 minarets. It is called 4 minarets. Okay, its name is Charminar in Telangana. Then last one, sixth one, Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar in New Delhi. Qutub Minar, otherwise called Victory Tower. Victory Tower എന്ന് പറയും. Okay, built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Built by the Emperor Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay. So write these names there. Then here you. Then next is lesson 12, fruity puzzle. Okay, a fruity puzzle is given here. Name some of the pictures and names of fruits are given here. We have to find the following fruits hidden in this word grid. A word grid is given here. Look at this word grid. We have to find out what the names of these fruits hidden in this word grid. Okay. First one, let us try to find out which are those fruits hidden in this word grid. First one, banana. Here, look at here, banana. Okay, banana. Then here, strawberry. Okay. Then second one, jackfruit. Jackfruit is there. Then cherry, CHERRY, cherry. Then mango, MANGO, mango. Then GU, mango. Then guava, here guava. Okay. Then orange, here orange, ORANGE, orange. Then grapes, here last line, grapes. Okay, grapes. I think we have got almost all the fruit items. Apple, here apple, APPLE, apple. Banana here, jackfruit here, strawberry here. Okay, so we got all the words. Okay, so find out these fruits in this word grid. Okay, you can do it yourself. Then after finding out all the answers, you can check your answer using this. Okay. Then our country. Next, lesson 13, our country. Lesson 13, our country. So put a tick for the correct sentence and cross for the wrong sentence. So right or wrong, we have to find out whether it is correct or wrong. India celebrates Independence Day on 26th January. So it is right. We all know our Republic Day. India celebrates our Republic Day on 26th January. Okay, the mango tree is the national tree of India. So our national tree is not mango tree, banyan tree. Banyan is our banyan tree. Okay, B aane idu, banyan tree. Okay. Then capital of India is New Delhi. That is right. The Indian national flag has three colors. Three colors, red, white and green. It's not red but saffron. Saffron. So it is wrong. Saffron ആണ് first color. Saffron, not red. Okay. So it is wrong. Then India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August, right? Okay. Rose is the national flower of India. It is wrong. Our national flower, lotus, not rose. Okay. It is given here. Look at here. National flower, lotus. National flower, lotus. Look at here. National flower, lotus. The national flag is hoisted at the Red Fort on 15th August every year. Okay. That also night is given here. Our Independence Day celebrates Independence Day on 15th August. So, right here it is given. Then our national flower, lotus, not a rose. Okay, so write these answers also. I have written the answers here. So make use of this page for completing your GK textbook. Okay, so write all the answers correctly. Don't make any mistakes. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice